money online and the methods that seem to work only for others. Maybe you've already tried jumping into the world of dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or Amazon FBA, found that it's not quite as easy as they say. Now you find yourself inundated with motivational YouTube videos is a little different. Well, this video is here to save you time and money, and yes, to tell you the truth about how you really can make money online. Stay until the end, because I have prepared a surprise for you. Don't worry, I don't have to sell you anything. Like many others, I also started with a series of online attempts, and at first, I thought it was just about finding the right method. I tried selling my services on Fiverr, but no one bought them. I tried trading, but lost all my money, leading me to ask why it was not working for me. Well, the answer is not that it doesn't work, but that it doesn't work that way for everyone. The truth is that almost all methods of making money online work, but each of them has a learning curve and requires some commitment. The issue is not so much whether these methods produce results, but whether it is really worth investing time and money in each one. Some paths may take months, even years, before they generate significant gains. So the real question is, which method can give you real results without a disproportionate investment of time, money, and effort? To answer this question, I analyzed all the alternatives out there and came up with two businesses that actually have good potential, which I will tell you about in a moment. Online is like a jungle. They will try to sell you every group. There are certain words that should immediately set you off. If you hear words like automatic, passive, guaranteed, easy, risk-free, fast, it is highly likely that it is. It's not 100% sure, but it's close. The businesses I have found are automatic. Let's start right away with number 2. Kindle Publishing. This business consists of publishing books through the Amazon KDP platform. To sell them, you can use Amazon ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and then spend money, or you can use an alternative that is free, which is TikTok. Let me explain a little bit more. If you do a search on TikTok through these hashtags, you will see that there are actually a lot of people selling their book through Amazon. What they do is they post 2/3 videos a day while showing the book, trying to create viral content. Once they find the formula that allowed them to go viral, they replicate it. This method is good for all your net profit. Now, let's pretend you create some content, and one of them gets 100K views. About 1% of 100K actually buys the book. So, doing the math, thanks to that video, you will earn about 7 only source of income. What you need to do is pick a niche that you like and possibly profitable. Next, do research to figure out the target audience. Create the video, cover, script, editing, voiceover, title, description, and tags. You can delegate this part, or you can do it completely on your own. Finally, publish the video. After publishing it, you need to pay attention to the CTR and audience retention. The higher these metrics are, the more YouTube will recommend your video to new people. The secret to success on YouTube is to make videos that people click and watch until the end. Both of these methods work as long as you are willing to devote time to them. Set income goals. Income that perhaps helps you support your studies, you may as well handle it yourself. If you have a more ambitious goal, then you need to seriously think about delegating the work, because delegating is the best way to expand. Don't expect a linear road. You will find obstacles to overcome along the way. Each time you overcome a difficulty, you gain new skills and, more importantly, awareness. That way, when you encounter the same obstacle again, you will already know how to deal with it. Easy! As promised, I have created a file in which I analyze in detail all the businesses that are out there, so you can